I'm not trying to push you through. Just can't stop thinking about you. You ain't even ready.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my...
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle, and in today's video, I'm gonna be doing what I'm doing, okay, as a mother. So I'm gonna have my baby on my lap while I talk to you guys about this wig that I have on my head right now. You guys already seen another video of me curling and just creating big, beautiful curls. So I wanted to install this unit and just flat iron it to see how it would look. So with that being said, let's just get into like the main details. So the main details is from UNice Hair Company. This is their natural black wig with blonde highlights. It's 24 inches, 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, and yeah, those are the main details. So I put this on as a glueless wig because I took full advantage of the adjustable straps and the elastic bands and the combs. So this wig is very snug on my head right now. And look at you. I gotta do your hair, girl. I gotta do your hair. I gotta redo your braid. Okay, y'all don't make fun of my baby. She's looking at herself in the mirror. But so where was I? Yeah, I put it on as a glueless wig because it is super snug on my head, and you can do that. So I really like that, especially like nowadays. I don't got time to be doing all of that every single time, like gluing the wig down, or I just sometimes a glueless wig is just what I need in the moment. So this really worked. It was super easy to flat iron. The highlights are very much bam in your face. I'm more of a subtle, like I would have loved a brown with some blonde, but you know, that's just my preference. There's some girls out there that absolutely love black and blonde together. So this is how this wig is looking. Very self-explanatory. It's not really much I have to say. I really enjoyed this wig. This wig is very low maintenance. It's pretty. It's pretty, and the maintenance of this wig just makes it super convenient, which can't ask for nothing else. So that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.
Better run, faster than my booty. High and kiss with frontal kicks. Better run, how am I going? High kiss with frontal kicks. Better run, how am I kiss with frontal kicks. Better run, how am I going? High kiss with frontal kicks. Better run, faster than my booty. High kiss with frontal kicks. Better run, how frontal kicks. Better run, faster than my booty. High kiss with frontal kicks. Better run, how am I going? High kiss with frontal kicks. Better run, how am I going? Frontal kicks. Better run, faster than my booty. High kiss with frontal just wanna know.